Hello everyone. So are going to hear some noise behind me. Unfortunately, my little boy is just playing with his magnets, okay? Just behind on his trampoline. So I'll try and make these quick. I did a poll on my Autism and Makaton Facebook page, and one of the popular options that people wanted to know more about were praise related words. So I'm going to start with them, okay? So the first one being good. Universal, thumbs up, good. And then for really good, double it. 2 thumbs up, really good. And then fantastic, it's similar again, but done with movement. Fantastic. Okay. Clever is the next one. Thumbs up. You're starting to see a pattern here with a thumbs up. Okay. Clever comes across the forehead. Clever. And then proud, thumbs up. And it's going to go a backward circle. Proud. And then we have brave. And if you look at the shape, because fingers are together and then the thumb is separate, and then that is the thumbs up. So all you have to remember is to close it. Okay? To be brave. And then the last one is to be kind. So that's with a middle finger. It comes up. As it does, it closes into a thumbs up. Okay, I'll do that one once more. Middle finger, as it comes up, it closes to a thumbs up, and that's to be kind. So I prompted then, as you could easily see, that there are topics within Makaton, and by creating a topic, it's providing a clue. That's how I see it. So if you have a user and they just visually see that thumbs up, they're getting the clue that thumbs up is linked to something positive. They know that instantly when they see the thumbs up before you've even completed the sign. So that in itself, by creating that topic and by creating signs that have those similarities running through them, that in itself is a communicative assist to aid understanding, okay? So I hope that helps, and I'll see you again